New hurricane threatens Florida amid ongoing recovery efforts. Good evening, I'm Francine Samuel, and this is Global Pulse News Now. A new hurricane named Milton is threatening Florida's Gulf Coast, which is still reeling from the devastation caused by Hurricane Helene just 10 days ago. The National Hurricane Center has confirmed that Milton has intensified into a Category 1 hurricane, with maximum sustained winds of 80 miles per hour. A state of emergency has been declared in 35 counties as residents brace for life-threatening hazards. Governor Ron DeSantis has urged residents to prepare for heavy rainfall and strong winds expected to hit the region from Sunday through Wednesday. Rainfall could reach up to 12 inches in some areas, posing a significant risk of flash flooding and river flooding. Meanwhile, the cleanup efforts from Hurricane Helene, which claimed over 225 lives and left hundreds missing, are still ongoing. The storm caused widespread damage across multiple states, including Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas, leaving many roads closed and millions without power. Stay tuned to Global Pulse News Now for the latest updates on Hurricane Milton and other world news and events. Be sure to subscribe.